I'm with you. Oh, clear, clear.
Clear?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright. I'm moving.
Okay. There's some at that far building across there. Carl. Okay. They're mainly on the right side.
Right side here?
In that across the building, outside.
Outside?
Yeah.
Those guys out there, right? I'm going into the building. Cody, come on. Which build? That far building again? Far building's hot still.
What about that building right next to us, that newer one? What's in there? Are you white? We're good. Yo, outside the wall, are you white?
Risers.
Yo, knee pad guy, we're not, we're good. Don't shoot me.
I'm sorry about that.
We're good, come on.
Sorry about that.
For what?
I walked in front of the video.
Oh no, that's fine. Yo, outside the wall, we're good in here. White or dead?
No medic, no medic, no medic. No medic.
There has to be someone in there. Carl is dead.
Hey! Medic! 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 No, you're good. Did you just shoot me?
Friendly fire?
Yeah.
Okay. In there, I'm gonna get you. Ah, there's an opening. I'm gonna pull you back. You got friendly fire? Yeah, the problem with that hole right there is they're just gonna shoot at anyone with legs.
You guys got him?
Huh?
Where do you got him?
What do you mean, what do I got?
Where did he get shot from?
Oh, he got shot like in the shoulder-ish back by a
I got shot
teammate.
in the leg.
It was by a teammate though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got that?
Yo, don't we need a nuke?
Huh?
Don't we need that?
I think so. Is there a nuke in there? Yeah. I'm fucking blind. Yeah, we got 5 objectives, that's one of them.
Yo, plane! 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 Are you playing?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Anyone over there? We need this. Back to respawn. Yo, guys, we need 5 of this. I need it more.
Yeah. Holy fuck. I watch you on YouTube.
Thank you. Good shit, man.
I keep up with you.
I'm killing myself. I put weighted plates on.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Fuck that shit.
Yep.
My shit's already like 30 pounds.
Yeah. Yo, solid green. Well, we got the village. We got it. All bad guys are outside the village. We gotta find some nukes in there. We gotta find some nukes. We have the village. Yo, is there plane in here? Plane. Take it over. I don't think so. I think there's 5. That should be 3 so far.
Oh, have we already taken some stuff back?
I found a green nuke.
Cool.
But we have the village, so I mean, we just gotta look around and find shit.
Yo, did that nuke get back to Jolly?
So far, that makes it 4. Just run back to respawn.
Copy that.
Sorry for scaring you. Oh.
Yeah.
Wait for it to drain out.
Okay.
I don't wanna fucking...
Yo, guys, we need 1 more. I'm gonna walk on by. Yo, is that that's the 5th one, that's it, so we can pull out.
We got a missile. I think someone's got a missile.
We got 2 nukes.
No, that's the 5th one. Run it back. That's the last thing we need.
Yeah, we got a cover.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Where's my green nuke at? Let me grab that.
Got it all.
Yeah. Mag's out.
Look, the lizard found a bomb. We found a missile.
That's 5. Oh, my chest. That's good.
Everybody clear your guns. Good job, dude.
Oh yeah. Yep. Sweet man, good playing.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah.